Did you know? Tulips are more than just beautiful flowers, they're a symbol of perfect love. According to legend, a Persian prince named Farhad fell in love with a maiden named Shirin. When he believed she was gone, he was so heartbroken that red tulips bloomed where his tears fell, forever linking them to deep, true love.
And here's something even sweeter. Tulip petals are actually edible and were once used as a substitute for onions during tough times. So if you ever receive a tulip, remember, it's not just a flower, it's a little love story in bloom.